Hi. Right. All right, guys. Hi, and welcome back. We're going to be working on math again today. We're going to be doing problem solving with lesson 4.1. So we are going to be doing a couple different things. We're going to use addition problems and solve them with a bar model, which is here. As you can see, it looks like a bar. That's why they call it a bar model. So right here is your bar model. It's the squares, the rectangle. We are going to use our models like we have been doing for the last few days, drawing dots and such, in order to prove that our bar model is correct. And we are going to count on to solve problems. So there's really a lot of things going on here. And when you add everything else, this is a word problem on top of it. So it's really a large piece of information that we're going to be working through. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. And first thing we of course have to do is read our problem. So pencils up and tracking with me. Hannah has 4 red flowers in a vase. She puts 2 more flowers in the vase. How many flowers are in the vase? How can you use a model to find out? Okay, so really this bottom part is not part of the question. They're just telling us that they want us to use a model. So we're really going to look at these first 3 sentences to solve the problem. And again, using my cube, I'm going to circle my numbers, 4 and 2, underline my question, and as I said, start at your question mark and go all the way back to your capital and period, and that will tell you what your question is. So how many flowers are in the vase? That's what they're asking. Okay? And then I'm going to box my math action word. And as we were talking yesterday, all week, the word more is my math action. And that means plus, addition. We're going to be building a larger equation. And everybody's fun part, get rid of all the junk. I don't care about anything else. It's all out of my way. Okay? So what do we need to do? We need to find out how many flowers Hannah has. So the whole thing that we're looking for is her flowers. So you can go ahead and trace that if you would like. It's not really necessary, but you can. And then you're going to talk about what you already have. The information that I already have is that she has 4 red flowers in the vase, and that she has added 2 more. And again, it's this magic word right here, more, which meant addition. So as we slide down, you'll see right here, it now says 4 plus 2 is the same as blank. So using our model from yesterday, so you'll have your 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more. 1, 2. So this is going to help you solve your answer, your question. So 4 and 2 more is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that's the part that's all been reviewed, but we're going to take that over here to a bar model. And here they've already done it for you and showed you. So this bar means my whole number of 6. So this would be if I cut it into 6 pieces, they would all be the same size. So 4 is a bigger piece, so I cut it and I give 4 the larger box and then 2 in the smaller box. So as you look right here, it actually makes the equation 4 plus 2 is the same as 6. So we're going to keep going. It's going to take a few minutes, my friends. I'm going to rip, you're going to flip. Alrighty, here we go, starting with our colors. There are 7 dogs in the park. Then 1 more dog joins them. How many dogs are in the park now? So starting with blue, you're going to circle your numbers. So I see a 7 and a 1. Underline my question. How many dogs are in the park now? Starting at your question mark. And you're going to go backwards all the way to your capital and your period. That's the whole question. So until you're really comfortable, you can always do it the easy way and go back. So how many dogs are in the park now? box my math action word. Does anybody remember what it is? Perfect. That word more, and it meant addition. Favorite part, get your red, and you're gonna get rid of all your junk. I don't care about anything else. Those are all just extra words made to confuse me. And then it comes to my sentence right here. You'll see 7 plus 1 more is the same as, and if you need to draw your dots, feel free. That's your model. So 7 plus 1 would be 8. Perfect. But we need to place it in the bar model. So moving it up here, I have 7 plus 1 more is the same as 8. So completing that bar. Okay, sliding down another one, my friends. Here we go. Starting with blue. Some birds are sitting in the tree. 4 more birds sit in the tree. Then there are 9 birds. How many birds were in the tree before? Now, I see the number 9, but I don't see another number. It's there, but they wrote it in words. This is the number 4. So we have to be careful and look at those words. Okay, and they want to know how many birds were in the tree before. Question mark, back to period. 4 more birds sit in the tree. There were some birds already, so again, more. So they're doing that addition. But if we look here, it's missing a piece. So we're gonna really count on. So what we're gonna do here to find the missing problem, get rid of your junk, is we're gonna start with our number 4, and we're gonna count on until we get to 9. So we're gonna count forward using our model. So are you ready? Here's 4. Now I'm gonna come up here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I counted on. I started at the next number, so this was my 5, and I counted on. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We don't count 4. Now I need to count how many dots did I create. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So really I needed 5 more. So the truth is 5 plus 4 more equals 9. So there were 5 birds in the tree already. Alrighty, we're gonna try this one, and I'm gonna have you guys do a couple parts. So starting with your blue, get out your colors, my friends. Let's read it together. Read with me, fingers tracking. There are 4 horses in the field. Some more horses run to the field. Now there are 10 horses in the field. How many horses run to the field? Okay, you found your numbers. Do you see your question? Perfect. How many horses are in the field? Great job, you found my question. Now I need my math action word. What's my math action word, friends? Perfect, you guys got it. More. And what did that mean? Addition, correct. So you should create your plus symbol. And then you're gonna get rid of your junk. All this extra in my way. I don't need it, it hurts my head. It's in my way. Alrighty, so let's look at our equation now. They've told us 4 were in the field, then some more came, and now there's a total of 10. So I'm missing this middle add-in, so we're gonna do it the same way we just did, and we're gonna do it by counting on. So pencils up, and we're gonna be creating our dots up here in our bar model to keep going. So we're going to start with 4, and then we're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'm going to stop at 10 because that's my sum, my total. Now let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 horses plus 6 more horses equals 10 horses. All right, guys, ready? There's a couple more. Do you think you can do it? All right, give him a shot. And this page is going to be what you submit to us today. So page 27 from your workbook, numbers 4, 5, and 6. Those are your homework for today. Best of luck. Bye.